So, ang problema mo ay ang bagal mag-download ng video presentation mo?
At 20 minutes na lang bago magsimula klase nyo pero wala pa si 50% progress na ito.
Nakagaray dito ang grades ko.
Wala ang baba talaga ng internet sa Pilipinas. Ang daming nakakonect, marami kang kaagaw.
At nakikisabay ka pa. Isipan mo doon ng paraan kung isasama kita pababa pag hindi ako nakapasa rito.
Actually, meron ako alam ng mga katulong.
Talaga? Dali, skill!
Gamit ang limits.
Limits? Yung sa calculus.
Calculus? Sign me out. Tiranin ko muna to.
Paano mo yung gagamitin sa network problems ko ngayon?
Una, mabagal lang yung network connection dahil sa network traffic, di ba? We are all familiar with congested roads and perhaps also with congestion in other networks such as the internet. So it is obviously important to have general understanding of how and why congestion occurs in networks. However, the pattern of the flow of traffic through a network is the consequence of a subtle and complex interaction between different users and on roads as drivers. Think of yourself on a road in a busy city. We would normally expect each driver to attempt to choose the most convenient route, and this choice will depend upon the delays the driver expects to encounter delays on different roads. But these delays will in turn depend upon the choices of routes made by others. Consider road traffic during an emergency. An ambulance need to reach the hospital urgently. If the roads are congested, the ambulance faces delays. In most cases, network congestion is a temporary issue caused by a sudden surge in traffic. However, sometimes a network remains continually congested, indicating a deeper problem. Bandwidth refers to the maximum rate at which data can be transferred across a specific network path. It's like the width of a highway. The wider it is, the more vehicles can travel simultaneously. That is why excessive data load slowdowns operation and leads to congestion. Bandwidth control allows network administrators to prioritize specific types of traffic over others. Bandwidth allocation ensures efficient communication and fair resource distribution. To have a effective bandwidth management optimizes network performance, prioritizes data traffic, and keeps the digital highways flowing smoothly. A data packet is a fundamental unit of communication over digital networks. It's like a tiny parcel that travels along a given network path, carrying information from one point to another. Packets can take the best route to their destination, avoiding congestion or outages.
I see. Saan naman doon papasok yung sa limits? Uy!
Oo, wait lang. Madali na. Matapos na to.
Madali na matatapos na talaga kasi 10 minutes na lang.
Ay, ako na nga mag-explain ito. Kailangan mo na ng paglalaro yan. How to employ limits in network traffic management to optimize quality of service. So now, we now proceed to bandwidth limiting. So, it is an important approach in network traffic management. It entails establishing a maximum limit for the amount of data delivered or received over a given time period. When this level is met, subsequent traffic may be delayed, discarded, or redirected. Next is rate limiting. It's a crucial component of network traffic management that regulates the amount of traffic sent or received across the network. It prevents misuse of resources and ensures fair access for all users. Lastly is traffic shading. It's a network traffic management technique that regulates the flow of data packets to guarantee that the network runs smoothly and efficiently. It is especially beneficial when network resources are restricted and must be allocated based on priority. In summary to this is, effective network traffic management involves balancing resource allocation, prioritizing critical traffic, and ensuring optimal performance while maintaining security. By implementing these techniques, organizations can enhance their network efficiency and responsiveness.
I see. Pero, hindi naman natin yung ma-apply ngayon eh.
Mas mabilis wifi dun sa may entrance.
Hala, thank you. Akala ko katapusan ko na.
Hindi ka ba dyan nag-edit ng presentation mo? I-disable mo na lang sana sa flash drive mo.
Sinave ko nga at last week pa kasi biglang nawala yung flash drive ko kahapon.
Right?
Oo, nawala
O ba't nasa iyo yan?
Iniram? Isang buwan pa alam, tawag dun, ninakaw.
Uy, nagsabi ko through chat kagabi tingnan. Ay, message chat sa TikTok. Ay, ganito yung nangyari pag may packet loss.